You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation in British English. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got many more videos in British English, UK, frantic, frantic, stress on the first syllable. In American English, in the United States, the US pronunciation, how to pronounce frantic. It's generally how it's pronounced in the US, frantic or frantic. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.